Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Ain't a Thing Under the Sun. In today's video, we are going to show you a tutorial on how to premiere your video on YouTube using iPhone. If you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify you in our next video. How to premiere your video on YouTube using iPhone. Let us know first, what is a premiere on YouTube? YouTube Premieres lets you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together. Well, it's just like a movie or TV show premiere. What are the benefits of premiering your videos on YouTube? First, premiering your video lets you schedule a video upload and create buzz around the video with a shareable watch page. Thus, you may get a chance to have a lot of likes. Second benefits of premiering your videos on YouTube. YouTube Premiere lets your viewers know what content you have coming up and tells them when to come back to see it. Third benefit of Premiere. You can also live chat with your viewers when they are watching it for the first time, and they can turn on notification for when the video is going live. And of course, you may have a chance to get more subscribers and super chatters as well. Please take note. An output greater than 1080 pixels is not supported for premieres. Let's begin our tutorial on how to premiere your videos on YouTube using iPhone. Step number 1. Start by uploading your video as unlisted. Just go to YouTube app and tap Video. Then select your video to upload and enter video details. Step number 2. Once your video has uploaded, head to the YouTube Studio and select the video you have just uploaded. Tap Videos. Now the step number 3. Tap Edit and go to the Details page where you can see Save or Publish and it says Unlisted. Just tap Visibility. And there are 2 ways to premiere your video. First one is Instant Premiere, and the second one is Scheduled Premiere. Instant Premiere is the immediately premiere of your video, while Scheduled Premiere lets you schedule the premiere for a later date. If you want the Instant Premiere to immediately premiere your video, just click Save or Publish. Select Public and then click Set as Instant Premiere. And remember, if you set your uploaded video as an instant premiere, the video will premiere as soon as the video finishes processing. And if you want the scheduled premiere, to schedule the premiere for later, just click Schedule. In the schedule box, just enter the date and time. Then check Set as Premiere and click Done to schedule. And now our scheduled premiere is ready. We're done! But before we end this video, let us take a look at our very first premiere on YouTube. This is our tutorial on how to premiere your video on YouTube using iPhone. Thank you for watching and God bless!